meteorologist Josh Nichols tracking your 7 weather forecast. Hey there, Josh.
Hey there, Taylor. Won't be long before the flakes fly here in Buffalo, but we didn't have that today, although we had a brisk breeze coming in, and it felt a lot more like perhaps the first part of November than it felt like the first part of October. We had a top temp of 54 after a morning low of 40. By the way, sunrise tomorrow morning is 7:21 a.m., but just over the border, they were shivering in Hamilton, Ontario. Waterloo down to 32 degrees this morning. You're down to the 30s as well in parts of the southern tier like in Olean. Let's talk about your weather headline. Shapes up this way. We'll have a mixture of clouds and moonlight for the night tonight. That is the nearly full hunter's moon that you'll see. It'll be breezy. Sunday, weak front comes through, so the breeze is still going to be picked up just a bit. It won't be quite as cool, so a little break from some of the chill, and then it turns milder heading into next week, and it's largely dry. Hour by hour we go. Temperatures start near 50 here this evening, then slowly drop through the 40s with some more breaks in the clouds. And the moon should be up right around 6 p.m. Of course, everyone in anticipation of the big game for tomorrow, and the weather should be cooperative. Like I said, it's not going to be quite as cool. Still a little bit of a gusty breeze at times. There could be an isolated sprinkle by late afternoon, but I think it's more the exception rather than the rule. And again, the October full moon is tomorrow. It is the hunter's moon, named because this is the time of year that we start stocking up for winter. And of course, that moonrise again for tonight is just shy of 6. Tomorrow, it's just shy of 7 p.m. Beautiful sky right now as we look out on the waterfront from Skywatch 7, but the camera is shaking around a little bit because of that breeze. The wind out of the southwest, 15 miles per hour right now, 50 the temperature in Buffalo. And look at some of these wind gusts. We've had a top gust in Buffalo to 37 miles per hour. In just the last hour, we're having gusts closing in on 30 miles an hour as the wind whips up over Lake Erie. Look at this. It feels like it's 35 right now in Olean and in Jamestown. That is a chilly breeze that is blowing in out of the west. A lot of cold air upstairs in the atmosphere. And so we have a lot of clouds out there as well. There are some breaks as we look back here to the west. So that's why I do think we will see at least some of that moonlight going into tonight, but it will stay on the breezy side. Our high resolution model does show some clouds, again, mixed with some of that moonlight for later tonight. Tomorrow, we'll start out with sunshine. Clouds will bubble up with the heating of the day. There's a weak front that's crossing just to our north, so I wouldn't be shocked if we had a sprinkle by later on into the night. Better chance for some showers, I think, heading into Monday morning with the stronger front that'll be coming on through. So again, for tonight, a brisk breeze, clouds and moonlight. The overnight low temperature at 43. Tomorrow, we'll see a mixture of clouds and sun. It's breezy. Your top temp 57. Have a check at that super 7-day forecast. Again, some spotty showers come our way on Monday. We're at 58 for a top temp. Tuesday, mostly sunny, mid 60s. We've got a nice recovery in the temperature department coming up. It's going to be a beautiful day on Wednesday, highs in the upper 60s. And then the next front comes through, I think, with some showers heading into Thursday. The breeze will again pick up, and the temperatures once again take a tumble for the end of the weekend into next weekend. But still, you look at that 7-day forecast, not too tough to take, Taylor. All in all, it's going to be a pretty decent week ahead, and it's still nice to be able to talk about temperatures near 70 degrees by the time we get to the middle of the week.